the top tips and tricks for email marketing. Establishing an ongoing relationship with current customers and reaching out to new customers is a crucial part of a successful business. Email marketing is one of the newer and most effective ways to accomplish this. The tips and techniques in the video below were designed to help you launch an email marketing strategy that accomplishes that. Only send emails to individuals you know. Mailing recipients who are unfamiliar with you or your product may come across as spam. They won't know if they know who you are, and then they will think about whether they care at all about the actual content or your email. Oftentimes, these suspicious emails go straight to the trash and you see no benefit from them. Be persistent with your email marketing messages. It can take as many as 20 emails to one prospect before you routinely have their attention. Try telling a good story through your messages. Hook them with a few messages and let it unfold over a series. Running contests that span several weeks are a good way to do this. The easier it is to subscribe to your email newsletter, the more subscribers you will have. If you have a physical store, ask your customers for their email address when they make a purchase. If you sell on a website, ask them for their address when they are ready to check out. Don't include the use of newsletters in your email marketing campaign. You can send the people on your opt-in list relevant emails about particular topics instead. You will attract more people when they know that they will only be receiving information that they are interested in, and that they will not have to sift through an entire newsletter to get it. Do not send more than one email a week to your subscriber base. Your customers often will get several messages a day and are very busy in their lives. If you send out too many emails, they might not read them anymore, and that's not good if you spent a lot of time working on the messages. It is very true that your relationship with your customers is a vital part of having a successful business. All businesses need a way to interact with current customers and to be able to reach out to potential customers who are interested in your product. The information and tips in the above video can help you do just that. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.